Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You open your recorder and verify inputs because clean audio and image make your tutorial usable. First, select the exact window or full screen. Choosing a window reduces distraction. Once done, pick your microphone and test for levels. Aim for clear but not clipping. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on so pop-ups won't interrupt. Start a short test clip to confirm video, audio, and cursor visibility. This initial test saves time and prevents rework later. You now record the main content with purposeful pacing so viewers follow each action. Narrate why you click or type, not just what you do. Explaining intent prevents repetition. Use zoom or highlight tools on small text and slow your cursor movements for clarity. If something complex appears, pause, summarize, then continue. Pauses create natural edit points. Make short clips or use markers every few minutes, so you can quickly jump to sections during editing. You finish by trimming pauses and adding captions or callouts to emphasize key steps, because accessibility and clarity matter. Export using 1080p, 264 for a good balance of quality and file size. Choose a sensible bitrate and check audio sync. Once exported, watch the full file end-to-end to confirm nothing was missed. If playback shows stutter or glitches, re-export with a lower bitrate or split the recording into shorter segments and recombine. This often resolves performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.